everybody. For our first road tripping video, we are going to the wonderful Memphis, Tennessee for the Tennessee Library Conference.
Memphis or bust.
What's the name of the conference this year?
The Stars of TNLA. The Tennessee Library. Australia. You should say that in Spanish. Like a Telemundo.
Australia de Tennessee. Memphis or bust. Here we go.
My body, it's gonna be my lucky day.
Is your beaker still on?
Oh yeah! Everyone will want to know that we went to Jackson.
We went to... Oh, wrong artist.
No, I want you to look. They've had to bolt the credit card reader in.
Craziness. Oh, I can't tell if it's in focus or not. Okay, we stopped for gas in Jackson. Now time to hit the road.
Jackson, we got married in a fever, hotter
Than
than
a
a
pepper
pepper
sprout.
sprout. Okay, so we are standing here in the little lobby area of the room. And if I pan to the right, we've got a bathroom sink. And it looks like Crabtree and Evelyn beautiful soaps and lotions and powders and big bottle of body lotion, and the bathroom is here. Okay, wow, this is a small little bathroom. Holiday Inn's a much bigger bathroom. Sorry. Here's the shower, and it looks like it's got shampoo and conditioner in there, and soap and a towel. Lots of towels. Let's see, we're just gonna go right around this way. And then, this will probably only be exciting to like 5 people. There's a closet here where we can hang up our things, put our bags in there. And then going around this way. Hi, Crystal. Hi, Jamie. And we turn.
We do have a microwave.
Yeah. So the website said there was no microwave, but there was a mini fridge. And I don't see a fridge, but I see a microwave. And I do see tea. There are tea K-cups. That is good.
Haha, I found the
Oh, you found the fridge. All right. Let's see.
followed the humming.
Well, where is the fridge? There's an ice bucket. Yay! This is better than being on The Price is Right.
You're
Move.
the next contestant on the room is right.
So we got a view here. Let's see, what's this view?
Way too high for the to be comfortable.
Oh, look, there's a Japanese steakhouse right there, and I'm gonna hit myself in the head with that pull string. Let's see, here's the... And right below us is the pool. So,
Well,
that's
pool.
a pond. Oh, yeah.
That's just the pond. Don't swim in that.
Well, we got a cement pond, and we got a tiny pool, and a big cement pond, so...
And the hot tub is closed.
That's okay, we didn't bring swimsuits.
We didn't.
So that's what's going on, and I don't think Jamie's going to do any swimming because she didn't bring her swimsuit. Beautiful outskirts of Memphis, Tennessee. I'm going to pan back around. And got the 2 beds. That's cool. And then there's Jamie. And then you see all of our bags right over there. So we're going to have to put them away.
This is the smallest number of bags we have ever brought on a trip that we've spent together.
So one nice thing about staying here is they gave us a goodie bag full of all sorts of things. We're going to unbag it and see what they gave us.
Okay.
All right. Jamie, there's 1 bag of Crunchy Cheetos.
Okay. I guess we get to pass Cheetos back and forth until it's done.
there is 1 bottle of spring water.
Okay.
Make that 2 bottles of spring water.
Good. Neither of us will get dehydrated. Or one of us will be really hydrated.
And there is an oatmeal raisin chewy bar.
Okay.
Nature Valley. And there is a 100-calorie Belgian milk chocolate toffee pecan.
What nation does this originate from?
Belgian.
Oh.
It's supposed to be upper class. So that is pretty cool. I mean, the most we ever got at a Holiday Inn was chocolate chip cookies. So
Yeah.
this is pretty neat.
Very cool. Awesome.